What is going on, my people? Josh here from the DeFi guys, and today I want to show you how I'm making $190 per day with nodes. And not just any nodes, these are nodes on the Fantom Network. So if you're looking forward to the content within this channel and within this video, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos really frequently teaching you all the latest DeFi passive income projects that are coming out right now. So subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And of course, as always, I'm giving away $100 to a subscriber or to somebody that just does this following. You go ahead, you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and you answer the simple question: where do you think COM is going over the course of the next 90 days? What is your price target? What is the price point that it will be at? Let me know in the comments after watching this entire video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right into the content. Many of you guys should be familiar with, if you're not, with Strong Block. This is actually on the Ethereum blockchain. And you can go over to strongblock.com and you can check out the video here. Of course, this video isn't about Strong Block, but it's about a very similar project on the Fantom Network. But you could see here, we can use Strong Block as a measurement of success for other protocols and other projects. You can see here that there's approximately 272,312 nodes over here on Strong Block. If you don't understand the purpose of a node, it'd be good to go over here and watch this video because it explains it really, really well. And once you do that, you'll understand how COM Financial actually works. So COM Financial is very similar to Strong Block, except it's on the Fantom Network, which means lower transaction fees, right? Which is what we all love, instead of the high transaction fees over on the Ethereum network. And you can compare this. Look, we've only got 4,193 nodes compared to the 272,000 on Strong Block, which there's a lot of room to grow over here, which is one of the reasons why I jumped in head first when I, of course, first heard about this. So essentially what we need to do, we need to make sure that we have Fantom Network installed in our MetaMask, and we need to go ahead and get some USDT from the Binance Smart Chain, which is the easiest thing to do, and then just simply bridge it over to the Fantom Network and then buy COM. So essentially what we're doing here is we're purchasing nodes. And the way that we purchase nodes is we simply go over here, we click on buy COM, and I'll show you how to do this in complete detail. Here's kind of a summary. And then we scroll down here and we can select between any of these hives that produces more COM for us. So you can see the Broughton hive, it's costs 3 COM and produces 0.02511 COM per day, all the way up to the War hive, which is 60 COM and it produces 0.57672 COM per day. Okay. So all we need to do is click on create hive and then make sure, in this case, I have 60 COM in my wallet. And then we just enter the node names. We can call it the War JE hive to represent my, my name. And I can just put JE1 or JE hive 1. And then we click on create a hive. We'll also have the ability to go ahead and earn nectar and then, of course, create more hives with that nectar. So we'll talk about strategy later on as we go on in this. But the purpose of this video is to get you guys accustomed to what COM Financial is and really just how to get started. Of course, this is not financial advice. Please consult with your financial advisor or whoever it is that you consult with before getting started in stuff like this, as there is high risk that, much of these projects entail, and that's just crypto in general. So this is just, once again, for educational purposes only. So having said that, let's go ahead and let's show you how to set up the Fantom Network and then bridge over from like the Binance Smart Chain over to Fantom Network so we can go ahead and purchase COM. Now, also, before we do that, you can see that as we stake more nodes, we're going to start earning rewards. And then what we could do is we can click on this claim all button and we can go ahead and we can compound our rewards in the form of nectar, or we can go ahead and claim our rewards. Now, since it's in the first 6 days, since I just got involved into this protocol, there's going to be a very, very high tax. As you continue with the protocol, then the tax goes down. So you can see after 6 days, it's going to go down to 19%. And this incentivizes people to stick with this long term. As you guys know, the money is in staking and compounding when it comes to decentralized finance, and doing that for a long period of time. The people that do it for a long period of time and really believe in the protocol, those are the people that tend to succeed at such a high, massive rate. So we can go over here to this calculator right here, and you could see I can, slide this all the way to 30 days, for example, and you can see that this is going to be our rewards in comb. And then after 10 days, we're only going to be taxed 5%, and then 19% between 6.3 days and 10 days. And then, of course, 38% between 0 days and 6.3 days. Okay. So now that you understand how this protocol works, let's go ahead and let's show you guys how to get started. So the easiest thing to do is to simply go to PancakeSwap and be on the Binance Smart Chain. And we are going to go to exchange, and then we're simply going to make sure that we have BNB, BUSD. It doesn't matter what coin you have. Determine what coin you want to go ahead and convert over to the Fantom Network, and then just run with that. So let's say I want to convert some BUSD over to USDT. So whatever coin that you're converting over, make sure you convert it over to USDT, and then just simply swap out for USDT. After you do that, you're going to use the Snaps protocol or the Snaps protocol, and we're just simply going to bridge our USDT over to the Fantom Network. So you want to make sure that you're on the Binance Smart Chain, you're connected, you've connected your wallet to the bridge. Again, there's going to be a link in the description below to take you straight over to the Snaps bridge. And then we're going to obviously bridge that over to the Fantom Network, and we're going to select USDT. Now, when we do that, we enter the amount. Of course, we want to make sure we have it selected as well. The currency is USDT from Binance Smart Chain over to Fantom USDT. And we just enter our amount right here, whatever amount it is, and we're going to bridge that over. Now, you're going to want to determine exactly what nodes you're going to want to purchase. So it'd be useful to jump over here and acknowledge the price right now of comb, which is $229.14. And this is the amount of comb required respectively for each hive. So if you want to do the 60 comb for the war hive, you need to understand that it's going to be $229.14 times 60. Okay. Now this hive, of course, is going to yield the highest return, right? So you'll notice this is going to give us 0.57672 comb per day versus the next one below it, which is pretty much, I think right around double or more than double than this one. So it does incentivize you to go as high as you can from the get-go, whether it be the war hive or like the Langstroth hive, because once you go below that, you'll see the difference 0.28 from 0.081 per day, so on and so forth. So determine exactly how you want to position yourself from the get-go. I got one war hive and one Langstroth hive, Langstroth, however you pronounce it. That's where I'm at right now. Okay. So you're going to want to bridge that amount over from USDT Binance Smart Chain over to Fantom. And then once you are able to do that, it's actually going to automatically add some Fantom. As you can see right here, you will receive 0.40 Fantom. So that's going to be added automatically to your Fantom wallet. In conjunction with that, it's automatically going to install the RPC or the Fantom Network onto your MetaMask as well. So once you go ahead and you say, okay, 4,000, we're going to bridge that over. You're going to just complete the on-screen instructions, click the button right here, go ahead, approve. And then below this, a little window is going to pop up showing that it's being bridged over. And it's also going to tell you when it's complete. Sometimes it can take about 5 to 10 minutes plus. Once it's complete, you're going to be able to go to the drop down here, and then you're going to be able to select Fantom Opera. Okay. That simple. Okay. And you're going to see that there's USDT in your wallet. You might not be able to see it in assets. Do not worry. That's fine. It is there. If you want to import the contract address, you can do that, but I wouldn't even worry about that. Just understand once it shows that it's complete, Right here below, you'll know that your USDT is in your wallet on the Fantom Network. Just make sure you have that network selected. And then all you need to do is go over here to app.com.financial. Again, the link's going to be in the description so you don't go to any scam sites. Just make sure you use that link. And then you're just going to click on Buy Comb. Once you click on Buy Comb, it's going to take you over to this page right here, where you're going to be able to select from the drop down right here and select FUSDT. Now, as long as that bridge is complete, you're going to see the FUSDT balance right here. And then you're just going to convert that balance over to Comb. Okay, so if it's a $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, whatever the amount is, you're going to enter that here. It's going to be converted into Comb. You're just going to approve the transaction, complete the transaction. And if it doesn't work, again, try again a couple of times, maybe lower the amount slightly that you have here and give it another try, and it should eventually complete that transaction for you. Okay, after you do that, then all you need to do is jump back over here and create your hive. So if we're creating this hive right here with the 60, you're going to enter the name of your node, which can just be, WAR1, and then your first and last initials there, and then click on Create Hive. Okay. And then you're going to see your hives below here. And then you can see the progress to brought in hive. So as you earn rewards, you can purchase more nodes, AKA more hives. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to have a strategy that shows you in great detail exactly what I'm going to be doing as far as, claiming, compounding, all that good stuff. But for the first couple months, likely I'm just going to be compounding every single day. Once a day, I'm going to go over here to claim all. I'm going to click that. I'm going to compound in Nectar. Okay. And then you can use, Nectar, and you can buy, more nodes. You can even, at some point, there's going to be utility in wrapping your Comb to Nectar because there won't be any taxes, but that will be a little bit later on. But once a day, every day, I'm just going to click on compound for the next while. I do not want to get taxed, right? We just want to compound. That's the name of the game. You guys are seeing the theme here of the importance of compounding when it comes to DeFi. Okay. And you could even do some calculations here, right? You can see that I've got one Langstroth hive, one War hive, and we can add more onto this. Let's say if I bought another one and I have two, we can kind of determine our rewards and determine, as we manipulate these numbers, what, our overall goal is. And of course, using the slider as well. All right. So that's it. If you guys got value from this, please drop the video like. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we're uploading videos frequently showing you guys different opportunities within the DeFi space. And then comment below, what price do you think Comb is going to be in the next 90 days? Is it going to be 500? Is it going to be over 1,000? Let me know. And if you guys do the following, of course, you've liked the video, you've subscribed, you've ticked the bell icon, you've commented what you think the price of Comb is going to over the next 90 days, you'll be entered to win $100 in crypto that I'll select a random winner in the next 48 hours in the comments, and I'll send crypto your way. So that's it, you guys. Appreciate you for watching this video. In the next video, I'll have an update showing you guys, an ongoing strategy that I'm using for this specific protocol. So we'll talk to you guys soon, and have a great day.